Hey guys, this is Mike from AltcoinTradingSignal.com, and I'm here today to go over the trading signals that my new trading indicator is giving. So for those of you who have been following me, you know that I've been in the process of creating my own trading indicator for a few months now, and now after I've tweaked it to my likings, I'm ready to open registration on my website again. So what I'm about to do is show you the back testing as to where this indicator has given buy or sell alerts. And we're just going to compare it to as if you were just buying and holding. So you can see if my signals are worth it over just buying and holding. So what we're doing here is looking at the Bitcoin to Tether pairing on Bittrex, and this is the 4-hour chart. So within the last few months, there's actually been a lot of sideways trading, and we don't really see that in Bitcoin too much. So here we're looking at CoinMarketCap, and if you take a look at the last few months, it's been a good amount of sideways trading comparatively to the last year or two, where there's been significant highs and lows. So at this time, there really isn't much this indicator can do just because of the sideways trading, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and actually measure how long it's been trading sideways like this for. Alright, we're going on 112 days, quite a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and move that down. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so I could better do this. Getting a little hard to see, so bear with me. Okay. So in a minute we're going to go further back in time where this indicator really shines, because it's really hard to do this when it's trading sideways, but let me go ahead and try to read these. So here we lost 1.5% plus 3, so now we're positive 1.5% plus 7.45, so that's 9%, we're positive 1%, 28%, so all this is 9 plus 28%, so now we're at 38%, 38 plus 8, 46%, plus 1, 47%. Now that was just a quick estimate. I might have missed a few percent or two. So that equals 47% profit in the same time that if you would just have bought and hold, you'd have only made 5%. So in this 110-day time frame, you would have made 47% profit with my trade signals versus 5% if you were just to have buying and holding. And like I mentioned, this is at a bad spot where there's a lot of sideways trading. Let's look a little bit further back. Let's go ahead and measure this point now. If you have been lucky enough to buy this very low here and held it for 65 days, you would have only have made 12% profit. So let me go ahead and move that down. Now let's see what kind of profits my trade signals would have given you. Okay, let's go ahead and add those up. So 30 plus 12, I'm just rounding, plus 5, -6, and then -2, so -7. So you could have made 40% profit. Let's go ahead and check buy and hold again. Let me delete these. Here we're just buying and holding. You would have made 11%. So my trade signals would have given you 40% versus 11% by just buying and holding. Now if you were shorting the market, you could have made even more. And shorting just basically means betting against the market. So when you received one of these sell signals and you shorted the market all the way to the low, you could have made 40% profit just there on this shorting. Then you could have done that same thing over here on this short. If you start a short here and then close it at the buy, that's another 20% profit. So you can go long, which is buying and hoping the market goes up, or you could do what's called shorting, which is you open a short and you actually make money when the market goes down. And as you can see, this indicator would have been very useful around when we got to the 20,000 level back in December. Here's where the indicator would have given the best signals. Take a look at this one. Buy here and sell here. 190% profit in only 34 days. And then if you would have opened a short over here to this buy, you could have made another 43%. But even if you're not shorting and only going long, you're still making a significant amount of money versus just buying and holding. Now, if you were into Bitcoin at the beginning of the year, you're probably losing your mind. I mean, we dropped 64% in about 112 days. But if you take a look, if you were to use these signals that my indicator was giving you, instead of losing that amount, you could have actually made, here's 10 plus 4, that's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 plus 10, that's 29, 29 plus 20, that's 49, plus 4. So what's that, 53%? You could have actually made 53% going long instead of losing 65%. So I'm very excited about using this indicator here on out. And if you'd like some more information about getting my trade signals, I recommend going to my website, altcointradingsignal.com. Okay guys, have a good day.